Hi and welcome to another Clear Natural Spas video. This is the LX38-1. Have a quick look round in grey and white. So this is an all-seater spa. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats and then a cool-off seat area. Okay, features of the spa, we have got adjustable waterfall, which is adjusted using this. It's run on speed 1 at the moment, or it's slow speed. All the jets can be adjusted pressure wise by rotating them. We've got a seat there with many small jets, middle seat, and then a different seat that has above water neck jets and a large central rotating lower jet. The jet at the bottom there, it's not switched on at the moment, is backlit, as is, as we go around the tub, a large jet in the bottom there as well. So it's a very bright day today, we wouldn't see it, but very good lighting. Talking of the lighting as well, which I will switch on. Okay, again bright sunlight, you can just about see the waterfall is backlit. The bottom jets are backlit, and of course the main light in the tub as well. And what we've also got is we've got the corner accent lighting, which you can just about see here, and that's on all 4 corners, and it fades through in the same colours as the internal lighting, so it's a really lovely show off spa. We've also got the 2 backlit drinks holders at the back. Okay, so just going back to the spa itself, it's running on low speed at the moment. It's a 2-speed spa. On to high speed, you can see immediately you get a lot more water movement. We've got air controls for each of the seats. So at the moment we've got air injected in this control into that seat position. If we switch the air off, we still have the same amount of water coming through, although no air. Switching on, and we increase the massage by adding the venturi there. Okay, so we've got air controls in all seating positions. Another really lovely feature of this tub is the whirlpool therapy. This large jet at the bottom here. If I rotate this jet, it puts all the power to one side of the spa, but it's all to this side of the spa. If I rotate it again, it switches off this side of the spa, puts all the power to that side of the spa, so you get a really powerful massage in both those seats. And if I rotate it again to its final position, it turns on the whirlpool jet, which is a large jet on the bottom. This is the air control core, so it turns the whole spa into a whirlpool. And then just simply by rotating the jet, we switch all of the seats back on. Great little spa. This one's actually fitted with a cover lifter, and to give you an idea of the cover, lovely mottled effect cover. Okay, nice and easy with the cover lifter to open it, operate it. Just flicks back, one person, no problem. Okay, that's the LX38-1. If you'd like to know any more, please give us a call on 01684 276 555 or visit us at clearnaturalspas.co.uk. Thanks for watching.